Yun!
Okay.
Helicopter.
Is it my turn?
Yes.
Okay, now you have to guess this word. The spelling is...
V. Wala pa?
Wait. V-I-O-L-E-T.
Violet.
Very good, Zed. Ate Shani, habol. Okay, the next word, guessing word is H-A-I-R.
Hair.
Very good. Okay, the next word is... What is that?
Did I guess it right? Horse.
Hindi ko narinig. I don't know. Maybe the phone, maybe the phone captured your... Maybe you have to make it louder so the phone and me can hear it. Okay? The next guessing word is D-I-M-P-L-E.
Dimple.
Very good. The next guessing word is B-L-A-N-K-E-T.
Landscape.
B-L-A-N-K-E-T.
Blanket.
Very good. The next guessing word is C-A-B-I-N-E-T.
Cabinet.
Wow, very good si Sedniel. Ate Shani, habol. Okay, the next guessing word is P-I-L-L-O-W.
Pillow.
Very good. The next guessing word is C-H-U-R-C-H.
Again. Crunch.
C-H-U-R-C-H.
C-H. Pwede ba crunch?
No?
C-H.
C-H-U-R-C-H. C-H-U-R-C-H.
Church.
Very good! It's church!
Naisip ko churros.
Churros pagkain.
Okay ba ako ng churros?
Okay, the spelling. Okay, the guessing word is P-I-N-K.
Pancake.
P-I-N-K.
Pink.
Very good, Sedniel! The guessing word is T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N.
Torch.
T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. T-H-I-R T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N.
13.
Very good, Zedniel! It's 13! Ang galing naman yan. Nice.